It's that time again. What's up, guys? It has been a little while since I have done any herbal parasite cleanses, and this is one that I have suggested before. There's a lot of ingredients here that are really good for killing parasites. I usually just avoided it because it contains bioperine, which some people could experience increased intestinal permeability and intestinal and stomach discomfort. So there's two ways that people could always be experiencing intestinal discomfort when they take a parasite cleanse or whatever. It's simply because they could be experiencing parasite die-off. So one way to find out is if you take a turmeric that has bioperine in it as well, then you would know if you're experiencing it from the bioperine versus experiencing it from parasite die-off. So yeah, I still have been doing plenty of other methods for cleansing parasites, getting rid of parasites, but this was something I picked up also because it was on sale right now at my local health food store. And I actually replaced the top here. Normally they're just the twist open tops, but I got these on there because I keep these around for easy opening, which I think that's a good idea. If you guys ever have these easy open lids, you might want to save them. I think that's a quick, easy tip. Anyways, I really do like the convenience of this. It says take 4 twice a day, basically 2 of these twice a day, 2 of these twice a day. So in total, you're taking like 8. And it says take them both together. So there is a part 1 and a part 2, but it does suggest take them both together. And there's numerous things in here. A lot of the normal stuff that gets rid of parasites, black walnuts, clove, wormwood. And just for convenience, this has got to be one of the best, because the other ones that I've suggested before, like Parasmart, that has a liquid tincture in it, that's not always that easy to take. And it does go down pretty harsh if you're not a fan of alcohol tinctures, if you don't like putting that stuff directly under your tongue. They do have some stopping power that's pretty amazing. So even though I've only taken this for it's been 4 or 5 days that I've been taking this, I have already flushed out a whole bunch of whipworms. So I have not seen whipworms in any of my other cleanses, BMs, for months, even though I've done multiple colon cleanses and multiple other supplemental cleanses. Super Cleanse by Emerald is one of them. But anyways, I have definitely appreciated this. They say you should only take these, a couple of times per year. Most health professionals say you need some type of parasite cleanse every new season, which means about every 3 months. I would agree with that. And I was pretty shocked when I saw all the whipworms that I flushed out, because I haven't seen those in so long, basically. So yeah, guys, affiliate link in the description if you wanted to help support the channel. Thank you so much, guys.